good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 16 from verse 1 to verse 13. The story about the thieving manager. Jesus tell him special follower them say, you did have one rich man where here same manager did a waste in sitting them. The rich man call him and ask him say, what is me about you? Write down where you get and where you spend, cause you can't be my manager again. The manager said to himself, what me for do now? My master go take away my job. Me not have the strength to go dig ground. And me shame for beg. Me know what me go do, so that when my boss fire me, people will still want me come at them yard. Him calling every one of the people them where owe him master. Him ask the first one say, how much you owe me master? Him say, 100 barrel of olive oil. The manager tell him say, take your bill, sit down quick and write up 50. Him ask the second one say, how much you owe? 100 bag of wheat, him say. Him tell him say, take your bill and write 80. Even though the manager did thief, the master big him up cause he did smart. The people who belong to that world here, smarter when they deal with them one another than God people. Me I tell you this, use the money where you have for do good for people and make friends. So when it done, you will have one home in heaven. Anybody where you can trust with little bit, you can trust them with whole heap too. And anybody where you can't trust with little bit, you can't trust them with whole heap neither. If people can't trust you with money, are they sitting them in the world, who are going to trust you with anything where really worth something? If they can't trust you with other people things, who are going to give you nothing for yourself? No servant can't serve two masters. You will hate one and love the other one. Or you will run go do anything where one want, but you're not too business with where the other one want. You no can't serve God and money. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God